To enable the Semrush dashboard, follow these steps. First, you need to create an account on the Semrush website if you have not already done so. Go to the Semrush website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information and verify your email address. Once you have created your account, log in to the Semrush platform using your email and password. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Semrush dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub where you can access all the tools and features that Semrush has to offer. To set up your dashboard, start by adding your domain or the domain of your competitor to the Semrush database. You can do this by clicking on the Add New Project button and entering the domain name. Semrush will then crawl the website and gather data on its performance. Next, you need to set up your keywords. Keywords are the search terms that you want to rank for on search engines. You can add your target keywords to the Semrush keyword database by clicking on the Add New Keyword button and entering the keywords. After setting up your domain and keywords, you can start tracking your website's performance using the various tools and features that Semrush offers. The Semrush dashboard provides an overview of your website's performance, including its ranking, traffic, and technical SEO issues. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to customize it according to your needs. You can customize the dashboard by adding or removing widgets, changing the layout, and setting up alerts and notifications. Best practices for using the Semrush dashboard include regularly monitoring your website's performance, tracking your keywords, and analyzing your competitors. You should also use the data and insights provided by Semrush to make informed decisions about your digital marketing strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can enable the Semrush dashboard and start using it to improve your website's performance and increase your online visibility. The Semrush dashboard is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights and data. And by using it effectively, you can gain a competitive edge in the digital marketing space.